Hey guys, today I want to talk about the BestBuilt 48-inch Jobsite storage box. Recently acquired by Werner Company, BestBuilt is a leading brand of work truck equipment and job storage boxes as well. This past April, they released their new BestBuilt Pro Value collection of Jobsite storage boxes. That Pro Value collection has 9 different Jobsite storage boxes and products, including different types of chest and piano style boxes. Now, while these Jobsite boxes are fantastic on the job site, and you've all seen them, I needed help with my tool trailer, which was busting at the seams. I wanted more storage in my driveway where I store my trailer between jobs. Think of it as an extension of my shed, but closer to the street, because my shed is way out back. So I needed an additional tool storage to hold items that I don't typically use a lot, like concrete breaker, SDS drills, job site lighting, power actuated nailers, stuff like that. Now, while these are important items in remodeling, we don't use them every day, and it makes no sense to take up all this valuable trailer. I have a 6x10 trailer, valuable trailer space, shelf space. So I chose a gray colored box which matched almost perfectly to my trailer. Doesn't blend in, doesn't telegraph that there's a toolbox behind my trailer, which I really liked. Just blends in nice. So my box, I got the 48-inch one. It's 24 deep, 28 high. It weighs 145 pounds empty. It has fully arc-welded 16-gauge steel construction and fully arc-welded seams. There is a 1/4-inch thick solid lock tangs that provide basically pride bar resistance and a stacked and welded piano hinge. The bottom skid is solid. It's made out of a 1-piece 7-gauge steel. On the side are 2 recessed side handles. They come up to 90, which gives you good leverage when lifting. And like I said, 145 pounds, it's light. The BestBuilt box has a one-time lock installation system. So it's just a U-bolt, and you put your lock in, you bolt it in. And a whole recessed housing, which basically helps prevent it from, break-ins from saws, pry bars, and bolt cutters. You do have to provide your locks. They don't provide them. All chest lids now are manufactured. They use a single locking spreader. It's on the left-hand side, and that basically ensures that the safety when it opens. So you open it, it locks. When you close it, you hold it one hand, and the other you lower it, and you avoid that whole guillotine of that lid coming down and smashing you. There's a cutout, pre-punched knockout, I should say, for power if you want to run power to it, and they give you a rubber-type grommet to cover that with. And you could charge batteries or something in your box. As far as cost goes, the BestBuilt Job Box sells for about $428 online at Acme Tools. I'll put a purchase link description in the video below. My overall thoughts. I've been using it for a little over a month now. The BestBuilt Job Box, it's a great solution, obviously, for temporary job sites, secure storage, or permanent storage solution like I did. At 145 pounds empty, it can be easily transported around without machinery. And look, the upgraded security features allow you to rest easier. And hopefully your investment of your tools are protected better. So guys, that's it for this video review. It's a short one. Please give us a thumbs up or leave a comment. We love to hear from you guys. And we'll see you next time here at Toolbox Buzz. Please stay healthy, everyone.